What's up guys, YvensB here. So let's agree that photography knowledge, or actually any knowledge or education, is crucial to your photography career. If you want to move forward, get more clients, or do anything like that, you need more education in order to do so and more practice. As we know, every day there's new marketing techniques, there are new platforms going out there, there are new lighting techniques, there are classical things that you need to just maybe rehash from time to time, just to make sure that you're always on the right path in order to move forward and also get a solid base so clients can always have the best version of your potential or capacity. And also keeping up to date is really crucial for you to stay relevant as a photographer, and also deepening your style should you have one, or adding variety to it if you are a generalist, a bit like myself. So this video won't be strictly about photography itself, but these videos that I propose will add some impact to your photography career and also your photography thinking. That is almost guaranteed. So this video won't be about other people that light stuff like I do, or actually show some behind the scenes, or even about photography purely, but it's really about creators that I think are really tremendous, and you should maybe give a follow or subscribe in order to learn more or improve your craft. And just a big side note here, no one paid me to do this. I didn't receive any money, I didn't contact them previously to this. I just set out to show some appreciation for some creators I really love, and that really helped me also in figuring stuff out for myself. The first channel on this list is Curtis Judd Audio. So Curtis Judd helped me basically, my videos used to sound like this with the background, and in doing so I discovered that I don't have a lot of background, and now they sound like angels basically singing in the bright sun in a beautiful garden. Joking aside, Curtis since 2009 has been uploading video on the subject narrowly of audio for videographers. Well, it's not only about audio, but mostly about audio in general, whether it be for videographers or for your YouTube videos or for your own personal needs, but mostly audio and video and a bit of photography also. Curtis Judd is a part-time photographer, a part-time videographer, and also a full-time software manager located in Utah Rocky Mountains. Now you may wonder, like, why did you listen to someone that is part-time doing this? Usually people that are, fully living into that subject are actually the ones you should listen to. Well, the advantage with Curtis Judd is the depth that he goes into for every tool that you might be using, whether it is an affordable piece of gear, something prosumer, or something very high-end for demanding pros. And also he does it with a full disclosure mode and no nonsense, which are qualities that I really appreciate, because there's a lot of people here shilling things and not disclaiming that they are getting paid for doing something, and Curtis Judd will tell you immediately that he's not getting paid, or is getting paid, or receiving a unit for free, and he's just reviewing it for the pleasure of reviewing gear that he really loves to use. My personal favorite video from Curtis has to be from the Zoom H1 or the Zoom H1N. This video by itself made me jump to realize that I sound like terrible on video, and I really need to step up my game. So after seeing this video, I went immediately and got a Zoom H1 and then made a purchase there. And now this is the reason why, if you've been a long-time subscriber to this YouTube channel, why it sounded terrible and now it sounds a bit better. The second channel that I want to recommend is called Cook Optics. Okay, they're not really creators per se, they are a lens company, but what the people behind Cook Optics managed to do with their own YouTube channel is interview the world's best, and I mean literally the best cinematographers and directors and DPs and gaffers around the world, and have them sat and run through their own process or their thoughts behind everything that they do. Whether it be color theory, lens choices, aspect ratios, or movement, or working with talent, Cook Optics has been really a great tool for me to learn how to get better at cinematography. And also cinematography really translates very well into photography, since they're really the same thing. We're both using cameras and lights in order to create a story. And if you don't believe me that the guys that they interview are the world's best cinematographers and directors, let me give you a quick list of the people they interview for their channels on different subjects. Film E, GoldenEye, Casino Royale. Dan Mindel, Star Trek Into Darkness. Vittorio Stotaro, Apocalypse Now. Terry Ackland Snow, Aliens. Seamus McGarvey, Avengers, Bradford Young, Arrival. But again, I just want to reiterate, it's not really about photography purely, but the direct lessons you can get from these guys that have movies that you actually seen, and they have inherited millions of dollars in order to make something happen, and people trust them with, again, millions of dollars in order to create their project, and people trust their leadership and their knowledge and what they think is something that you should really pay attention to. And Cook Optics has managed to give those very distilled lessons about cinematography that you can really translate very well into your own photography career. And the third and last YouTube channel that I want to recommend is called ArtStorefront. Again, you might be saying, another company? Come on, guy, are you getting paid? No, I'm not getting paid, but you can unsub if you want to, really. All joking aside, ArtStorefront is a company that basically is a printer with a beautiful interface that can help you sell more prints. The entirety of the YouTube channel is dedicated to one thing that I think a lot of photographers, if I might dare say, all the photographers that we have or face are doing wrong, which is marketing. I mean, you may have some very nice camera with a high resolution, you may have some lights, and you may have a cool space. But if you don't have any income that will help your business grow so you can get more tools or create better stories or better art, you're dead in the water. And the people at ArtStorefronts actually go over those details in those crucial marketing lessons or tools or techniques, so you can actually get either more clients in front of your face, or you can get more prints out of your store. So ArtStorefronts goes over strategies of marketing online or even offline, basically in real life, that you can use in order to make more money with your business. And what's fun is that they also interview people that actually have been doing it and actually have tons of success doing so using the platform. And again, the platform plugs are very limited, and even though they are mostly geared towards artists, so basically illustrators or painters, if you're in a fine art business, or if you are in a portrait business basically, or selling family portraits, they're excellent at showing you how you can make either more money or sell more prints or be better at promotion or better advertising for those same clients that you have. And I just want to reiterate, everything that they actually have online basically on the marketing side is free. So the lessons are pretty clear. The title tells you exactly what you're going to learn in the lesson, and it gives you tools and steps by steps on how things that you should do, maybe things that you have forgotten or things you haven't been pursuing in a long time that you can actually do in order to improve your own business. And also, let's remember that the subject of marketing into photography or art has been very few and there. I even bought some tutorials that I was a bit disappointed because of the depth of information or the techniques haven't been great. And ArtStorefront, I would literally pay to hear the content. So again, I want to reiterate, everything is free, and I would actually spend money, like a good $150, just to go over the lessons and marketing lessons that they're giving you that you can implement right now, and not tomorrow, not by doing some fancy stuff, right now. So I hope this video really helps you understand why I think you should maybe give a bit of attention to those three creators, whether it be Curtis Judd, Cook Optics, or ArtStorefronts. Again, the content that Curtis gives you for audio, or the lessons that the cinematographers give you in Cook Optics, and the business lessons that ArtStorefronts gives you are really crucial, and I think they will be of tremendous value for you. And it's 100% free, so what do you have to lose except maybe giving a watch? And I will be making recommendations about videos that I really love down below, so make sure you check them out. And if you like what they do, please consider subscribing also. And if you want, just tell them, hey, YvensB sent you. So that's it. Please go check them out, and everything will be in the description below. If you have any questions about what they do or anything else, please fire them in the YouTube comments below. And again, I thank you for watching, and as always, happy shooting and good luck.